W.E. O'Neill has been around since 1925. We do airport work, multifamily apartment buildings, retail, you name it, we build it. I think Cupix is one of the easiest ways to get started with reality capture. Before using Cupix, a lot of our site documentation came from the very traditional taking a picture, writing down where you took it, trying to save it in a folder on a date somewhere. We document the whole life cycle of project with Cupix. That's our day-to-day, it's our workhorse, how we capture everything out on site. Our project managers use it constantly to go back, verify things were done correctly. Our interns are able to walk through and capture the site. Then we can quickly go back and do a site walk digitally and look at these items. Was this installed? Was this installed? And we don't have to try and carry 18 different checklists the whole time or re-walk it 18 times. We can do it once from our desk. Our safety teams have utilized Cupix to go back and basically do virtual safety walks and look at that and see, what were the conditions on site, and it really has brought the site to the desk. One of our favorite features is the time-lapse feature, where you can pick a spot in Cupix and go, okay, I want to see every picture of this spot that's been taken throughout the whole life cycle of the project. So we're able to go back and see it from when it was just framing, and when the concrete was poured, and when did walls start going up. It's all date stamped, so then you're able to track it to, did we hit our dates that we meant to. The BIM integration was a huge part of why we chose Cupix. Being able to see the model side by side with our captures really allowed us to view things in a different way. We could see how things were going to look, whether it was going to feel right, whether the space was big enough. And when we can think about it more carefully and plan our adjustments, we're able to do it in a more efficient way and keep truer to the original design intent, which ultimately makes the client happier.